just landed a massive order, but your automated motor assembly line keeps glitching every day, and capacity is nowhere near expectations. You might have already fallen into a capacity trap. Don't panic. Here are 3 tips to help you steer clear of these pitfalls. First, don't blindly chase full automation. Forcing automation on non-standard processes will make your maintenance costs skyrocket. Keeping complex steps semi-automated actually offers much better flexibility. Second, keep a laser focus on cycle time bottlenecks. You know, the buffer fat, right? The slowest workstation determines the ultimate output of your entire line. Designing flexible buffers is an absolute must. Third, strictly guard against over-engineering. Many flashy features are barely used a few times a year, yet they drastically increase your equipment's failure rate. Pragmatism is what actually saves you money. Is your motor assembly line experiencing frequent downtime right now? Drop your equipment type in the comments below, and let's troubleshoot together.